We gotta throw something away, right? Welcome to Cheapskate. Today is a great day for crafting, and in this video we wanted to share with you that just recently we had acquired a 93 Buick from my wife's grandmother. Thank you, Grandma. As we were cleaning it out, I noticed this visor in the trunk, and I was gonna throw it away. It's broken up, and I said no, I can't do that. I'm gonna give it a second look and see what I can do with this. So let's have fun. Check it out. Fun making these videos, and now that I've got my work area set up a little bit, I can get back to processing this plastic to make more mask lids. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. But more than that, I want you to get out there, find a hobby, believe in your craft, invest in your tools, and whatever you do, keep it cheap.